Okay. Okay. This looks pretty good. This looks like it's working. Welcome back. We have 1 hour to get as much accomplished as possible. So, I guess we jump right into it. Here's the project. So, we haven't done much, but I don't think it's too bad. So, I guess to remember, so far, we have this, like, gotta be changed eventually. But we have the turning left and right and the mask. That's about it. That's not horrible, but I think that we should start work on the camera. Unless we want to try to do lights. I was thinking that could be kind of fun. I was thinking, like, when I click, then it kind of shoots a projectile in the direction, and if the projectile hits either here or in this big box, then I need to drink my coffee. Then it would turn the light on in that direction. So let's try that. Honestly, these kind of have to be moved because this hallway is kind of stretched out further. And I'm pretty sure there's kind of like another room here with the old animatronics, and then this kind of leads to the main one. So we could kind of work on that later. But this even looks good because looking at it from here, you could kind of see, like, oh yeah, there's another room. There's another room. What? This is so... Oh my god. Okay, this is fine. We could fix that later. So I think we try the light method. Let's make this a bit smaller. I'm just gonna make the little things for the actual lights. So let's see. Let me look up the light. FNAF 2 light. Or I guess FNAF 2 vent. Okay, that's the inside. Oh! No, that's not it. That's not it either. There we go. Okay. Let me pull this up. Save. Okay. So, yeah, I'll pull this up. Okay, I can do that. That's pretty easy. So, what color? So this is kind of like a... Let's make a new material. It's kind of just like a gray. I'll call it gray. And then we can straight up just do... change this color. I'd say it's like around here. What do we think? Maybe darker? Yeah. Even darker? That looks good. That's scary. That's what we're going for. We're going for scary. Okay, we got this. Boom. Okay, that's a little too dark. It's a little too dark. Let's brighten that up. It's not too bad. Well, this is... I think this needs to be darker. So I clicked L or I hit L and clicked, and then it makes this lerp, so I could basically combine two colors. So I'm combining whatever was going into the color, and then I'm going to combine it with black just to make it darker. If you guys didn't know what that was, I'm just throwing that. So yeah, now this is a lot darker. This I think even needs to be brighter. So let's move that up to like there. All right, even brighter, just a notch, just a notch. That's as much as I'm doing though. Okay. That seems pretty good. Now there's text. And it says light. Maybe I should make this an object. That might be smart. How do I do that again? It's not this, right? Replace selected actors with I thought there was a way. There is a way to do it. Okay, I need to make a video on this now because I'm forgetting. What's this do? Oh! No. It's not right. Let's try... Oh, wait. Focus. No. No, that's not it. Select? Select. No, this doesn't seem good. Convert actors to static mesh. Is this what I'm looking for? Oh! Okay, this works. Let's go third person blueprints. I'll just put it into blueprints. Wow, there we go. Look at that. What do you know? Okay. So, I guess that's how we do. But this is a static mesh. This isn't like actor, like an empty actor. I wonder if I'm able to do that. Pilot. What does that mean? Whoa. What? What is the point of that? Where'd it go? It's stuck to my head. How do I unpilot? Stop piloting. Okay, that was weird. What is the point of that? Okay, I should try to make a whole game and I don't use these at all. I just pilot everything. Oh my god. Okay, that's a good... I'm writing that one down. Got my pencil. Let me throw it in my notes. Pilot. Actors only. Okay. Okay. That works. Okay. Let me see what everyone's talking about right now. Okay. Okay. Whoa, what happened to the camera? Why is it so blurry? Hello? Is this autofocus? Hold on. Oh, okay. Now it's fixed. I feel like I look fat in this. Okay, well, whatever. Okay, that was fun. All right, let's throw back. So this should say, there's got to be a way, right? Import asset, is that it? No, this would import from like my files. Yeah, that's not right. Let's do edit cube. What? Okay, I don't think that's it. Maybe I need to group it first or merge them. Merge actors. Ooh, okay. This is getting somewhere. Actor class, actor. Keep original actors. Okay. Okay. This makes sense. Boom. Okay. And then third person blueprint. Save. I don't know if that's what I wanted. Interesting. Select a type of instanced component. These words are getting a little too big for me. Replace source actors? No, I don't want to do that. Okay. Well, now I sort of got closer. No, this is the same thing. Get this fucking out of here. Okay. What am I doing? What am I saying? Okay. Let's just work on the lights. Goofing around too much. God, that's me. Oh, okay. Light. Okay, light. That looks pretty good. Could be a little smaller. A little more centered. Okay, okay. That's still a little large. I guess. 20. Perfect. And then I think they were kind of separated too, so I'll do that a little bit. The I think there should be, let's see, X scale. Yeah, that's definitely what I want to do. Like, no, like what the fuck? Fudge! Sorry, didn't mean to swear. Okay, text center. That's gonna be useful. Okay. Who is calling me? Okay, okay. No, this is fine. This is fine. Let's do... man, where is it? I thought there was, like, letter spacing. Let me look that up. Space. Horizontal spacing. There we go. Oh, that's close. That's pretty close. Yeah. Yeah, that actually is. Let's throw this just at a 2. Just for simplicity. And then we'll throw... another one of these. A little smaller. Ooh, and that takes up kind of the whole thing up here. And I think it is square, so let's make sure that the scale is the same all around. I guess I'll choose this one. What the fuck? Oh, I chose the... okay. Well, that was... oh, stupid. Okay. This is good. This is good. No, it's a square for sure. Okay, I think that means I just need to adjust this then. Right? Or are we good? Oh, maybe I'll move it like that. Oh, I could just shrink it too. I'm just trying to get the scale like exact. That is pretty fucking good. Okay, I think it's actually a little above the... oh wait. Yeah, there we go. It's just like kind of above the vent. That's pretty great. Light. Maybe this should be like there. There we go. Okay. Let's see. That looks pretty good. That looks pretty good. Is the camera on? Okay, it is. Why did I... okay, well. Okay. This is pretty good. This is pretty good. So then when we click on it... okay, this, first of all, should be a whole actor. I don't know why I've been doing it this way. There is a way to do it. Edit multiple assets. No, that's not it. Audit assets. Open the assets. Audit UI. Okay, let's see what that is. No, I don't get it. I don't get it. Size map. No. Convert actors. I already tried that. That didn't work. I thought it was like up here maybe. Modes? No. Merge actors. I tried that too. Replace selected actors. We tried that. So it's none of those. Let's edit. Okay. Find and level. Okay. Convert actors to static mesh. I'm just going to group them for now, just so it's easier. Browse to asset. Oh, okay, I see. Edit. That's not it. There is a way to do this, right? Does anyone know how to do this? How to just make all three like into an asset, or like into a like an actor? Is that possible? Why does my camera have these weird like dots on it? Like, is that part of the camera? Hold on. Now it's blurry. What? Let me clean this. Yeah, wait, okay, look at that. Hold on, let me cover the camera. Why is there all that? Is that part of it? Are those like dead pixels? That can't be. This is like a new camera. Okay, let me rub it. Okay, I rub it and nothing is changing. Nothing. Oh, it's orange! Okay. What is happening? Okay, now I gotta fix the camera. It looks I look so much prettier in this preview window than I do in the stream window. It looks like. Configure video. Let's see. Could it be the sharpness? Let me see. I'm gonna cover it and I'm gonna change, and then I'll see if that does anything. Wow, it does. Look at that. Oh, you could see it live. Look at how much more. Yeah, but then look how much blurrier I am. That's pretty bad. I think I gotta find the right balance. It was like here. I think I might go to like there. Okay. Apply. Let's see. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Do I seem too blurry? Maybe if I just sit farther back. Like maybe I'll bring my keyboard like up to the very front. And then, yeah, that works. That works. I'm sharpening it. I can't. It took me so long to set these settings up. Okay. That's too much. And now I'm just effing it all up. Maybe I just need a better camera. No, we work with what we got. I'm sorry, I just smacked the microphone. That had to be painful. Okay. I'd say, you know what, let's go back into the game. This has gone on long enough. Oh wait, actually I could just look up how to do this. How to convert a, what would you say, I guess, like an object in Unreal Engine into an actor. Can you turn an object reference into an actor? You can create an actor blueprint and add the object as a component. Okay. Perfect. Sorry, I'm a little bit sick. So I just thought of this amazing idea. Didn't look it up at all. I just thought of it. What if I took the assets that are grouped, right? I did the thing earlier where it's merge the actors, and I merged them, right? And I put them in whatever, third-person blueprints. Not in the UI, just in the blueprints. Boom. So it's right there. Okay. So now I have it, right? It's right here. I don't know if... I don't think text goes just because it's like... It's a weird kind of object. But what if I turn that? Or what if I made... Fuck! I need to be able to talk. I'm a little inarticulate right now. I'll make a folder. This could be... What would I call this? Actors, I guess? I don't know. Well, I'd make a... Or... Fucking... Okay, it's fine. I'll do a blueprint, actor, and then I'll do light. Vent, light. Vent, light. Then I could throw in the component that I just made, right? Custom mesh, static mesh. Okay, that works. Boom. And then I called it, or I didn't name it, did I? Where would that be at? We'll call it vent light base. Boom. Look at that. And now we have it. Now we have it. Okay. That's great. Because now the dimensions are exactly what we did earlier. So we know that it's going to fit. So literally I could take this and throw it right there. And it's that easy. I will add the text though, because for some reason that isn't working. It should though, it's a text render. I guess it doesn't convert directly to like a mesh. This guy's a nerd, guys! This guy's a nerd! Okay, let's go to the light. What am I doing? I'm like geeking out right now. I'll ungroup this. I think it's because I saw the weirdest comment on a different video earlier. Because I was reading through them. And one of them said, this guy's a bigger pussy slayer than I thought. I don't even know how I'm supposed to respond to that. I don't understand why that's typed out on like, it's like an Unreal Engine like tutorial. That was like one of 2 comments on it. The other comment's like, oh yeah, like this was a really like very helpful for me. The other guy's like, oh, this guy's a pussy slayer. It's like, okay. It was pretty endearing though. I think it was very nice. Okay. So this is 20. This is the scale. Oh, is it kind of stretched up like that? Oh, no, I didn't. I swear I didn't look anything up on how to do this. No, it's a lie. That's a lie. I'm going to stretch this up a little because that's kind of what it looks like. Look at that. Perfect. Alright, so basically what I'm thinking with this is I'm going to add a light that's going to be like, let's see. Yeah, it kind of looks like, because you could see it on the floor too. It might just be like a point light, like right here, that shines everywhere instead of a spotlight. So let's see if that works. First of all, let's get it lined up correctly with the vent. This is... No. This is it. Wait. Oh, that's why. I haven't been using the actor I just made. Wait, did I flip it backwards? Oh, I must have, right? It doesn't matter that much. Alright, whatever. It's an easy fix. I'll just rotate everything. Okay, that actually usually does not work at all. So I'm really surprised. Save it. Let's get out of game view. It's like centered. Okay. This entire episode is going to be just this light. I can't believe it. Let's see. That is really close. I think it's just like more of a blue light. So let's change the color. It's pretty good. Wow. Okay. That really might be it. I think... Hold on. Let me take another look. That is extremely close. Maybe a little less bright. Come on. Come on! Okay, that works. Let me cover up the back half of this vent. We could fix this later, but I don't want the other light getting through, so let's just block it. Might have to not render, but like recreate the lighting. I think maybe there should be a specifically left and right vent light. Just because I feel like that might be easier. But first, let's get all the regular assets that we're going to need for it. So I'll duplicate this static mesh. This will be the light on, and this will be the light off. And I'm actually going to ungroup this just because I don't want, if I were to take off the visibility of this, I don't want this visibility to turn on. Actually, I won't turn off the visibility. Because I'm thinking I want to change the light. Actually, we don't even need this. So this is the light when it's off, right? It's going to stay like this, and then this point light is going to be not visible, right? Or just I'll set intensity to 0. So in the event graph, we're going to have a custom event. What? What is this? Why does this happen? I don't get this like error where it's like I left click and then nothing shows up. I mean, like, what the fuck? Okay. Hold on, let me try to fix this. Sometimes I just click. Okay, you know what? I'll restart it. I'll restart the whole thing. I can't even, like... Okay, here. Take a look at this. There's not even, like, a save button up here. Like, for this. This is so strange. Alright, whatever. So... I'm just gonna... restart the whole thing, I guess. What kind of drink did I get? It's just like a hazelnut latte. You know. Yeah, no one commented that. That was... I made it up. I wanted someone to ask. I was waiting. It's the reason I'm drinking it. But it's not performative. Okay, and with that, we're back. Let's reopen that asset. Okay, that worked. So we'll do custom event, and then that will be turn on light. And then you could also do one turn off light. So when we turn it on, I want to set the material to Okay, hold on. This might... Is this an issue? Oh, element 0. Okay. Set the material, yeah, of element 0 to basic shape. Okay, that's not working. Hold on. Okay, I haven't made materials yet, so let's do that first. So we have gray, we have black, and now we're gonna have white, and that one will just be white. So when the light is off, it's gonna just default to this white material that is gonna be like that, right? So that's unclicked, nothing on, right? Because isn't that what it looks like unclicked? Like, I don't know, let's see. That's strange. Okay. FNAF 2 vent. Yeah, where's the... Maybe I look up FNAF 2 office. Yeah, see, these are on. I want to see if the light is off, what color that is. This one doesn't even... See, why does this one have nothing there? That's so weird. This is even worse. IndieDB. Actually, this is kind of cool. Alright, well... This is a GIF, so let's see, okay, like, what? It's not what I'm looking for. This is on TikTok, but it's like a long video. I didn't know that was like possible. You know what? I'm gonna make a guess, and I'm just gonna say that it's going back to this. Look at this. This is weird. Nothing here. There's something here with the light. Okay, wait. There it is. Oh, it's like gray. It's like gray and there's like a gradient on it too. Okay. Well, I think we'll get to that. But right now, I think I'm just going to go with, like, this is going to be like a vent light off, right? And we could do, it's like there. Oh, man. Okay, yeah, I'm going to have to actually make a material for this then. Huh. Emissive, no. Specular, no. Okay, well, whatever. This is fine for now. When we click the light, then the material is going to change to vent light on, which is this green, like light green, like I don't even know what to call it. It's just like this light green color, right? And it's emissive because it's like an actual light. How emissive? Oh wait, that's not what I'm supposed to do. Whoops. I click 1 and then into emissive I would do... Oh! Let's do like 0.1. Let's see it in person. Oh, that's awful. That's disgusting. 0.5. You know what? Maybe I just do plug this in. Sometimes it does exactly what I want. Sometimes it just does not work. Oops, wrong one. Is it even emissive? I don't think it is. I think it just changes the color. You know what I think it might be? It seems to me like there's another light, and it's just really, really small point light, like right there. It's like 0.1. No, maybe not that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There, look at that. Like, I feel like that's what it is, right? Save that. And this could be light on. Vent light on. Oh my god. Light on. Perfect. So here, I'll do event construct. Nope. Oh wait, begin play. Because this is not UI. Okay, I'm making sure that I'm recording. So we'll do turn light on. Turn on light, whatever I named it. See what it looks like. That's pretty close, I'd say, right? I feel like my character's too short in the game. And so is the ceiling. Okay, interesting. I don't know if I want to keep this. It's kind of ugly, the way that I've done this. I've just copy and pasted walls. This is awful. This is the worst way I could possibly do this. Do a repeating texture. Let me remember how to do this. It's like world aligned. Texture. Boom. Put a parameter into the texture size. Texture object, boom, boom. That should work, except this has to be like 200. Let's see if this works. Alright, it's pretty good. Okay, it's a little small. Let's change that to like 400. Might be a little big. Let's go to 300. I don't even know if I'm gonna use this. How am I gonna? I want to like make a tutorial at the end of all of this with all the stuff that I did, but I feel like it's gonna be just impossible because I keep going back and forth between different things. Maybe that's my issue. Could very well be my issue. Alright, well, we won't dwell on it, so that seems pretty good. Yeah, so I want to be able to click on this and it turns it on and off. I think that would be pretty good. Let's do let's try the projectile thing. So I'm gonna go to my player. I'm gonna do an arrow. Is this necessary? Oh, okay, I just thought of it. So this is what I'm gonna do. Attached to the camera, I'm gonna do a what's that cone like radius thing? Radial fall off, is that it? I don't think so, right? Wait, that's not gonna work, because then you'd have to look directly at it. Okay, this is gonna be strange. So I want, like, wherever I click with the mouse, I want to shoot a projectile from the cursor. I don't know how I would do that, actually. Let's take a look. Do you guys know how to do this? Shoot the projectile with the cursor. Oh! We got someone in the chat. Message restricted. Retracted. Oh. Well, if you're gonna say something, say it to my face. Zapped Zaid. Oh, now he's real quiet. Now he's real quiet. Banned. No, he's not banned. But, I'm putting you on timeout for 10 seconds. Yeah. What are you going to do now? What are you going to do for these 10 seconds? You're going to think. You're going to think just a little bit. Oh, I could view a deleted message. I sadly don't know that language. That's what he says. It's Spanish, by the way. They have assets ripped from the game. Sprinter's resource. Let's see that. All right, you're unbanned for the 10 seconds. I'm gonna see Sprinter's resource. Ooh, this is pretty cool. Hold on, let me save this page. Let me show this to stream. So someone in chat pointed out this website has assets ripped from FNAF 2. Maybe I need to type out the... Oh wait, games. Let's see. Maybe I need to look up the whole Five Nights at Freddy's. Look at all the ads. This is crazy. I'm not even gonna try to click out of them. Oh, right there. Nice, okay. What? No way. Okay. Let's see. Is it like a 3D model? Or is this like, download asset. You know, I guess I'll see. Oh, it looks like it might just be images. Well, I guess that's really all you need. You don't need the full 3D model. I'm pretty sure Scott, when he made the game, though, he made everything actual 3D models, which is kind of interesting. But this is still really cool that I don't need to actually, like, find the random PNGs. Wow, look at this. Is this frame by frame of the jump scare? Yeah, if I scroll fast enough, I could really see it like that. And then scroll back up. Oh my god. Scroll up. Scroll up. Whoa. 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 Whoa! Okay. Why am I freaking out over this? Oh wait, I actually can't. Okay. Why can't I scroll on this page anymore? Nope. Okay, there we go. Oh, right there. Look at that. This is cool. Legs are clipping into the body. I don't really see that. Okay, well, should we throw in some jump scares? Or, you know what? I think I'll save all the jump scares for the next stream. Right now, let's do the vent stuff still. But this, I did save the website because I think this is useful information. I'm going to actually save the page for FNAF 2 just so that I could have all these assets. Boom. So thank you to whoever said that in chat. Zapzay, the guy that I banned. Thank you. Well, for 10 seconds. I banned him for 10 seconds. He was on timeout. That's what it said. So let's go back to the game. Oh, wait. I was supposed to look up how to shoot a projectile from the mouse. Unreal Engine. Shooting projectiles at mouse location. Yeah, let's see that. Unreal Forum. Get hit result under finger by channel. This is what I'm looking at right now. This is cool. Look at this. Convert mouse location to world space. Saving this one too. Alright. So let's go back into here. We'll do an on click. Actor on clicked. No, that's not it. Touch input, mouse input. Okay, so it'd be like left mouse button. We'll do... This is kind of bad practice. I should make this an input. So I'll just do that. It's really quick. Project settings. Input. Action. This is interact. Alright. Now it's good practice. So when we press, then it should, what was that? Convert mouse location to world space. So get player controller. Well, I don't understand. Oh, you could do with the above or with this. So let's try get hit result under finger by channel. Fuck. Okay. Get hit result under. Wait. Why is there a finger and a cursor? Let me see. Get hit result under finger. Oh, I guess this might be like for touch controls, and then this is for just clicking. So I almost clicked on OBS again. Let's see. Boom, and then draw debug sphere. I guess that would just show where it's at, right? I think I might do this convert mouse location to world space instead. That seems easier, because this hit result is going to be kind of weird. True if the hit says initial overlap. Huh. Time with the impact. This is weird. Depenetration vector. Okay, I don't know what that is. Performs a collision under the mouse cursor looking for a trace channel. Okay. Oh, look at this. Wow, there's a lot of things that it looks at. Okay, let's move some of this. Well, hold on. First of all, we could just move this up. I don't think we're gonna be doing anything with VR, so we could get rid of that. And let's do input action interact. We only have a couple minutes left in the stream, but I'm gonna at least attempt this. So let's go back. Draw debug sphere. Yeah, this is what I want. This is good. Well, do I want the projectile though, or do I just want to click? Like this. Get unit direction. Okay, I'm sorry, this is bad content. I'm just reading this whole document. I think this is another video I could potentially make on how to, because I don't even know how to do it. I've never really tried to do this. So, yeah, interesting. Okay, well, I feel like we really didn't do much. All I did was make one of these. That's really bad in an hour, I feel like. What else did I do? We talked about, like, oh, I guess, we did find that website, but that's not, like, much, right? That's it. Okay. Yeah, that's the whole stream. Okay, we could do something else, I feel like. I could start importing. You don't want to watch me import the assets, though. I feel like I could do that later. You know what? Here. I'll do a new folder, and that will be FNAF 2 animatronics. And that's next stream. Everything's gonna be in there. Everything. We're gonna start the stream by doing the click thing, and then we'll end it by we'll start it doing that, and then the rest of it is just going to be putting these animations into, like, probably a different UI that's like jump scare or something like that. So it would just throw that over everything else, and then that would be the jump scare. So hopefully that works. I'm gonna put collision here, collision here, collision here, and then if it hits on any of them, then the light will turn on behind it. So I'm gonna make actually another actor back here too. That's kind of similar to this, but I feel like I need to do that once I actually figure out the right buttons for it. I feel like a failure right now. I can't believe that this happened. I can't believe I went through an entire stream and literally all I made was this. But you know what, that happens sometimes, so I'm not like too sad about it. Maybe I could make the office a little bit better too. So let's go back to the office. FNAF 2 office. For the last minute, at least, I feel like I could make some of this look good. So there's like TVs, and there's a poster, and like, I don't think I could do this. I really don't think that I could. Here, you know what? I'll change the color of the light. I feel like that'll be pretty good. It's pretty spot on. How accurate is this? Let's see. Get the mask off. Somewhat accurate, I would say. Somewhat accurate is a pretty good assumption. I might move these vents. They might be a little too close. At least comparing it to this picture. But this picture doesn't look anything like the actual one. Because if I look up the vent, then I actually get... It's like over here somewhere. There's like gameplay with the mangle in the vent right there. Yeah, this is much closer. So let's... Oh my god, I keep touching that button. Let's do... What is happening? Oh, I didn't realize I was in the game. Okay, well... Whoa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom. 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 Wait, what? Oh, right, that's all one asset, I forget. Alright, let's move this. Nice, nice, okay. Let's go like, sure, right there, that's good. Boom. Look at that. Boom, oh, wow. Wow, that is actually so much better. So we did more today on the stream than I expected. We moved the vents all the way over there, if you think about it. That's pretty damn good. Let me see if I need to move the table at all. That'd be crazy, though, I feel like. I'm going to download a bunch of assets. I'm going to be prepared next time. I've been going into this unprepared every time. I'm like, let's see what we get accomplished. And then we really have not done a lot. The only time I was really prepared is, like, I downloaded, like, the mask. Actually, I think I did that on... like on stream. So I'll do FNAF 2 like objects or something. Sure, that works. Okay. Okay, that's the stream. Let's have any questions? Does anyone have any questions? It's like a class, I feel like. So if there is nothing else, I'll see you later, losers. Why did I do that? Why do I do this shit?